Hey guys, so as you can see from the title, this will be a giveaway video. Yay! That was awkward. Okay. So, yeah, this is for my 100 subscriber giveaway. I'm really happy. I'm at like 130 subscribers at this moment. Last time I checked, which is really exciting. So, yay for that. Yeah, so I have a giveaway. I don't know how long exactly it's gonna last. I think it's gonna be at least till April, but it might be a little longer. Today it is the 10th, March 10th for me, at least. I don't know when this will go up. I might make it exactly a month long, but you'll see if you look in the description bar, it'll have all the rules as well as all of the details and everything in there. So really look through that. In terms of when the giveaway ends, I think I'm gonna make it like a live draw, not a live drawing, but like I'll draw it on video so you guys it'll get announced all together. I don't know if I'm make it a live, like a live video or what, but I'll draw it on video. Yeah, you have to go on Gleam to verify your subscription, just because Gleam has a way of like verifying and like telling me if like people who subscribed in my last giveaway but then unsubscribed, if they try to enter this giveaway now and they subscribe again, they'll tell me that your entry is invalid because they cheated, whatever, and that they subscribed previously in another giveaway. So like that's a good way of me being able to track that kind of stuff. I also filmed a bit of me shopping for these giveaway prizes at Loft, but filming in public is very nerve-wracking. It already took me so long just to be able to sit down in my room and film something now. Being able to go out with a camera, even my cell phone camera, and talk to myself and film is just way too nerve-wracking. So it looks really shaky and it's really short and there's no speaking for me at all because it was very nerve-wracking. But I'm going to insert it here just because I did shoot that video. I might as well just put it in. So I guess I'll show this first. So this is what a lot of the prizes will be in. I am definitely going to add one or two more products like I did in the last giveaway. I did two products and I told you guys about it in another video, but I'll add more. And I'll probably tell you guys about it in another video, like at the end of a makeup tutorial or something. I'll just mention it and show you guys. So watch my videos if you want to know what gets added. Okay, but so I guess I'll start with this. First, you will be getting 3 sheet masks. So you will get the Pearl Essence mask, Royal Jelly Essence mask, and Soybean Essence mask. So these 3. Then you will get the lip mask in peach. So the lip mask and the 3 lip masks. The lip mask and the 3 sheet masks are similar to the ones I gave you guys in my last giveaway. I thought it might be kind of cool to have reoccurring products and prizes in my giveaways. You know, that might be kind of interesting. Then I also got you guys very similar eyelashes, just like my other giveaway. They're from Daiso. It's this one, and then this set of 3. So besides that, I got you guys 2 lip products as well. This lip gloss is in like a rosy pink color, reddish rose pink. Then I got you guys this lip gloss. It's Canmake Tokyo Candy Wrap Rich color. It's very pretty. I've never tried this before, so I don't know how good it is, but it looks really pretty. And then I got you guys this gloss eyeshadow from Canmake, Wink Glow Eyes. Looks like this. I have my own personally, which I got the same time I got you guys. This is in gold. My personal one is pinkish rose color. So you guys are gold, but I'm gonna swatch the red mine, which is the pink one, just so that you guys kind of have an idea what this is. It's basically just like a liquid eyeshadow, basically. It's really pretty. So it looks like this. And it looks like that. It's pretty. Basically looks like this. And then you can like blend it out as much as you want, basically. It looks really, really pretty. So I like it a lot. So that's all that's in here. And like I said, I'm gonna add 1 or 2 products. I think I'm gonna add a cheek product and then maybe some kind of like eyeliner or mascara or something. And then the last product, which is a very exciting one, is this palette right here. It's the Beauty Glazed Impressed You palette, which is the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette dupe. So it's right here. So that palette is supposed to arrive. I ordered it off Amazon. It's supposed to arrive in a couple weeks. I ordered it and I got one for me and one for you. So it was supposed to come here next week around the 13th. So in like 3 days. But it got delayed. I think because there's like a, I don't know, I think in America right now there's like a, there was or there is like a snowstorm or something going. I don't know. But it was delayed, so now it's not arriving until the 18th. Because I was going to wait to film this until I actually got it in the palette in person. But since now I have to wait like 1.5 or 2 weeks, I'm going to just go ahead and film this. So it's basically this plus this. So that's exciting. Then I wanted to ask you, talk to you guys about future giveaways. So, there's definitely a couple people, several people actually, that I feel like I get a lot of support from, like, and I'm really grateful for it. Like, it's a really good YouTube community, and then there's a lot of subscribers I have, a couple subscribers I have that I feel like I see comment on my videos and like support me and stuff. So, I'm out of breath, I talked too long. So, I wanted to do like, obviously this is a bigger giveaway, it's a 100 subscriber giveaway. Then I maybe do like 300 or 500, 800, 1,000, whatever, you know, I'll do like big giveaways. But in between all those big giveaways, I want to do like small mini giveaways. So maybe I just give away like 1 palette or like a couple lip products or something. Like very small, not major. I don't have the money to do major giveaways every time. But for those, I might do like supporter-based giveaways. Hey guys, so just inserting this video in to kind of explain the mini giveaway thing that's gonna happen after this 100 subscriber giveaway is over. Just because I kind of realized while I was editing things and it was really unclear. So basically what I'm gonna do is so I have my big giveaways. They're not like like the super amazing or anything, but like bigger giveaways at like big milestones. So like 100, 300, maybe 500, 800, 1,000, you know, like that. But in between those, like between 100 and 300 there's 200, between 300 and 500 there's 400, 500 to 800 is, you know, between all those big giveaways, every 100 subscribers or 150 subscribers or whatever I decide, I want to do like a mini giveaway, which would be like a small palette or a couple of lip products, a little bit of skincare, something very, very tiny though. But for those mini giveaways, what I will do is do like I'll announce it for that day. I'll announce it that day, and then like once I get that milestone of like, maybe now I'm at 200 subscribers, so or now I'm at 400 subscribers, so I'm just gonna do a mini giveaway for one person to get a 5 sheet mask or something, or a mini palette or something. And so I'll put a video up saying, hey, this little small milestone, this is a mini giveaway, and it'll end in like a week or 2 weeks, probably like a week. So once I upload that video saying, hey, the mini giveaway is gonna start for my 200 subscribers, I'll say like, I'm going to draw the name from the people who commented on my video from the past 5 videos or the past 3 videos or something. I'll just draw from all 5 or all 3 of the comments. And so if you commented on every single video, you have 5 entries. If you commented on just one of those previous 5 videos, you have 1 entry. And draw your name for that. No, I think it makes sense, but this is not announcing the giveaway starting because I'm gonna start this after the big giveaway. I'm giving you guys a heads up about it. But so yeah, so if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, make sure to follow all the rules down in the description bar. This is very exciting, 100 subscriber giveaway. Yeah, so see you in my next video. Bye.